Hey, I'm Jack Young from Emmett Performance. Most of you that follow us know that poor Booger broke a rocker arm a couple months back, dropped a valve into #1 cylinder. So we decided after 11 years of the motor being together, it was time to come out and get freshened up. The original motor was built by a good friend of mine, Kevin Davis, out of Blairsville, Georgia. It is a 358 Windsor with a B&M Roots blower. It used to have Edelbrock heads on it. I went through it a couple months ago, added a Lunati custom ground, solid roller cam, and a set of Topline heads. And these are the results. Let's fire her up and get a listen. For those of you diehard fans that have been following us, you know that Sally's in pieces right now. Here's a sneak preview. 69 Mexican block, 331 cubic inch base motor. Can't tell you a whole lot about it. I can give you a sneak peek at the Canfield heads we just had work. Just a little one. More to come on her soon, and you'll be seeing her at the track. Thanks for following us. Have a good night.